Hey everyone, it's Dr. Learn Code Yourself, and we're going to go ahead and do three things today. One, we're going to install Visual Studio Code for Windows, and I'm going to walk you through that installation, and then we're going to find out how do we set up the terminal so that we can go ahead and open Visual Studio Code or a file within Visual Studio Code directly from the terminal. So I know a lot of these cocksuckers want to show you just type in code and space dot and it'll open up, but no, you have to configure things prior to that being the case. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and then let's just jump into it. Okay, so first, if you don't have Visual Studio Code already set up, it's the #1 text editor. I love it. It's completely open source. You guys can go ahead and head to the website, which I will provide in the description for this video, and then from there, once you go ahead and download the Windows version, it should take you here and you should see it prompt to download immediately. From there, what you're going to do is accept this agreement. Let's create a desktop icon. This is important. Add to path. Always add to path, because a lot of people don't do that. This, are you guys watching? Add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu. Add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. Click both of those babies. All right, make life easier for yourself. Okay, so now that we install, we have that setting up. Great. Now let's launch it. Excellent. So we successfully have Visual Studio Code, right? So let's test this out. If we go ahead and close this, and now we're at our terminal, which I am running as an administrator. If you want to see how to do that, you want to go ahead to terminal or command prompt and run as administrator. Yes, there you go. Okay, so if I type in, just make sure we're up here. If I type in code and I press enter, it now works. It is that simple. Let's try it again. This time let's write the infamous code dot, right? Now it's gonna open every single thing in my directory. So you don't want to do that for your main directory, right? We're gonna go ahead and trust all these authors, hit yes, and let's close that baby. So that's how you get the code set up right in the terminal so that you can access that. Dr. Learn Code Yourself, please make sure to comment and subscribe.